evening. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekethelo. Still continuing with Isithunywa, guys. I was hoping ngizoyenza video one, but I realized ukuthi izoba too long, so ngayikhatha now. In explaining colors, ne? I thought let me do something more fun. Angithi sikhuluma ngesithunywa sinama opinions are different ngesithunywa. So I thought let me do something fun for spiritually gifted people. And in this video I want you to use your clairvoyance gift, right? Which is the gift of creating a movie like vision, or using your image mental state. So basically clairvoyance speaks about somebody who you tell a story, but the person will be has the ability to put it into image and visualize it. So ngifuna usebenzise yona na. So this quiz of mine izosebenza kanje. I'm going to give you 3 dreams, ne? Ngizokunikeza amaphupho awu 3 and ahlukile. But what you have to do is to choose one dream. Bese the first thing that you're going to do is keep key points. So select the key points of the dream, interpret the dream, interpret ichaze ukuthi khuluma ngani, usitshela usho isithunywa esisebenza lapho, bese usho ukuthi mawucabanga iliphi ijazi elifuneka lapho, ne? So guys, it's for fun. It's not ukuthi sizama ukuprove ukuthi ubani uyislime or ubani uhlakaniphile or who's more powerful, but ngifuna ukubonisa highlighter this thing yokuthi the way we are guided and taught sometimes, it's not ukuthi asiqondi, but we are still not in tune to the messages and that we are given in terms of dreams. A lot of us are not in tune. Yes, we are awakened, but we're not in tune to the spiritual realm as we think we should be, or as we think we are. That's the whole purpose. Nothing to it, nothing fancy. So the first thing is you select the key points of the dream. You tell us the key points of the dream. You interpret the dream. We are still good. Is Isithunywa CP, what prophetic gift it is. And then you show iliphi ikhala yejazi ucabanga ukuthi yasebenza for lelo phupho. Let's start. So my first dream is, please remember, these dreams I created, ne, just to explain isithunywa. Akusiphupho lomuntu kanjani. Now my first dream is like this. I dream of a leopard. Ihamba phezu kwamanzi. As ihamba this leopard, then it changes ikhala yalo. Ikhala yayo amehlo wayo from red, and then it becomes green, bese abuya shintsha be black, ne? As ihamba le leopard kulamanzi, bese kuba ngathi kukhona indawo emnyama kulamanzi, ashintsha amanzi abe mnyama, bese kuba ngathi this black hole evulekayo phakathi kwamanzi. Kuqhamuka into efana nama, if you've been to Isiphethu, qamuka into efana nama-bubbles, and sort of like a smoke, a dark smoke kulamanzi, bese kuqhamuka iy'lwane engathi zifele kulamanzi, amafish afile, namaxoxo afile, nani. So that's dream number 1. So uzongitshela ukuthi lisho ukuthini njengoba bengishilo. Dream number 2, ubaba olusa inkomo. Le nkomo uyayilusa, ziyayihambela. As ahamba, uhamba endaweni eneyihlahla eziningi. As ahamba, emuva kwakhe ubona intambo spear, ubona intambo nomkhonto. Makabona intambo nomkhonto, elibe hamba nezimvu zakhe, uhamba uyayiculela nje, uyishayela ikhwelo, whistle, whistling. Bese kuqhamuka umlilo engathi ushisa le ihlahla lezi inkomo ziyabaleka zingena endaweni engathi manje sekuyi-just an open lento space. Na umlilo ushisa iy'hlahla. That's my dream number 2, right? Dream number 3, intombazanyana encane eyidlalelayo, idlalela endaweni efana nengadi enama-flowers amahle. Lo mntwana sathi asadlala kanjalo bese kuqhamuka, bese iphupho lingisa endaweni ngathi sekukhona ugogo ohlangana nalo mntwana. Ugogo uhlezi uyihlelele nje entabeni egreen intaba yakhona, uyihlelele ubukele ubukele indawo sort of like yabona entabeni mawubukela i-scenario nje, peace and quiet. Bese lo mntwana wentombazane efike ehlala la eceleni kagogo bese kuqhamuka imvula, kodwa le mvula ina ngama-feathers. Imvula leyo ina ngelento ngama-feathers. Nasi isiZulu sibaleka konje inama-feathers ya ina ngama-feathers le mvula. Ama-feathers amhlophe acwebile amnyama, amhlophe sorry, amhlophe acwebile amahle ne a-clean. Iphupho lami lesi-3 lelo. Guys, asiyeni, you only choose one dream and then you wenza lezi zinto engitshele zona. You select the key points, you interpret, uyasitshela isithunywa siphi, and what color of ijazi do you think is applicable lapho. Guys, akekho wazi kakhulu ofuna ukuprove i-point. As I said, it is just a quiz that will enable us to understand isithunywa better, ngiyabonga.